What if you could navigate anywhere without internet, ads, or tracking? You won't believe what happens next when you try Organic Maps for cycling. Organic Maps is a free, offline navigation app built from open map data. It is designed for travelers, hikers, and cyclists who want privacy, reliability, and detailed routes without needing mobile data. I tested Organic Maps on bike rides in both city streets and rural trails. After downloading the map for my region, I turned on cycling mode. The app immediately suggested bike-friendly routes, including quiet roads, bike paths, and trails. Most people get this wrong, but here's why offline maps matter. When your signal drops, most apps stop working. Organic Maps keeps going because everything is stored on your phone. The surprising truth is that it uses less battery and no data, which is perfect for long rides. The app also shows elevation, distance, and estimated travel time. You can search for cafes, restrooms, bike shops, and landmarks, all without internet. Voice navigation works offline too, which makes riding safer. There are no ads, no trackers, and no hidden subscriptions. It is completely open source and free. If you want a clean, private, and powerful cycling navigation app, Organic Maps is an excellent choice. Subscribe for more honest app reviews.